Jing'an.
Go check out the room.
Jing'an.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so this is I'm gonna show you some stuff today. I'm just gonna show you, this is like sink, storage of bikes, and then you come out of these places and you can see that people basically have all their stuff here as well, some refrigerator cabinets. So basically people kind of go in and out of these houses, and they can either have a few different apartments, or you can also have your own space as well and just go all the way up. So you kind of come in and it's like a storage place, and there's a bed, one house, two house, and there can be also like 3 and 4. So I don't want to show you which one's my buddy's place, but basically they each have I think you'd have like 4, 2 on each side. So some of them right from the ground level. You can see all the kitchen cabinet stuff. So each one's designed its own individual, unique way. There's also like all your waste stuff, so you can throw stuff away in the community area. So everybody would bring it down here from all these different places. And some of the apartments face this way, but most of them face like this. So for example, some of these would have balconies, some of them don't. And you can also do all your cleaning in all of them from the window. So yeah, they're big enough that you might come in on this side, but then there'd be a whole other apartment, you know, divided in the middle. So yeah, pretty cool. And this seems to be kind of fairly typical for Shanghai. Okay, this whole units have some different ways. So there's one ways for these people here and another one down there. Yeah, you park your bikes in them. So yeah, pretty interesting, eh? So, okay. And then you come out into the major, not a major street, but a street. So, okay. So I hope that kind of gives you a sense. There's some pretty cool places around here too. So they'll put their tables and chairs out here, the restaurant. And actually this whole area is kind of on the periphery of the French concession. Actually I might turn it off a little bit, and I'm going to go into the French concession for a little bit.
Jing'an.